A Merry Tea Christmas to everyone from Dilmah. I just wanted to show you something that's really easy to do. It's available anywhere, and you can make your Christmas roast or lunch really special. So I'm first using some beautiful Dilmah English breakfast tea, some almonds, which I'm going to place in there, some figs, which are very Christmassy, dry figs, a little bit of apricot, some mixed peel. We need some fat to bind all this together. So what I've got is some bacon, a little bit of duck fat, some pistachio nuts, and blend. But you've got to make sure all the spices and all the nuts and fruit and everything is crushed up. So it's really good to season and then in a nice hot pan with oil, sear the lamb so that you get a nice brown color on it. And then you can just put it aside. Let it cool down, get some greaseproof paper, take some of this beautiful crust, and once I put it into my greaseproof paper, I'm just going to roll it out so that we end up with this beautiful brick of crust. And you'll see that it's so easy to place. Look at that. Push your crust down with your greaseproof paper, and when you pull it off, it'll be stuck beautifully to the lamb. Now you place it into your pan. So your oven should be 220 to 250 degrees centigrade. Goes in there for 12 minutes. You need to macerate some fruit. So I've got some cherries, I've got some dry figs, I've got some dry apricots, and 2 bags of Dilmah English breakfast tea. That has been soaking for about 4 hours. Now we need to wait for the lamb to cook. The pan will come out hot, and then we can make the sauce. We need a plate ready for our serving. We also need to have some chopped parsley. There you go. It's brown on the top. The crust is stuck to the actual lamb. And then what we'll do is just put it on the side to rest. We'll just add a little bit of butter, a little bit more Dilmah tea. So let's add some onto this. And then as the butter starts to melt, I'm going to add my fruits, but I'm going to first remove my 2 tea bags and then let this sizzle. The thing that you're doing here is actually burning off all the alcohol. So it means that everyone can eat this, but you're still getting that beautiful marinated flavors. I can taste it. Oh, I'm getting all the flavors of Christmas. I've also got a bit of red wine jus, which I'm adding. And while that's gently reducing, I can add some parsley. Take the lamb. Now it depends on how many people are eating this, but I think big chops like this are really good. Should be nice and pink in the middle. There you go. That's a perfect medium rare. And what I do with this is have it like a share dish so that your whole family can enjoy it. And lastly, we're going to add this beautiful sauce all the way around it. From the Kuruvita family to all of you out there, have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.